For those of you RVers who have wondered what it's like to stay at a casino resort, I thought I would post this video so you can see what the opportunities are out there for you in case you haven't investigated them yet. My name is Sandra Rochelle. I've been RVing for more than 50 years, and I'm here on YouTube to give you guys all kinds of information that you can use during your travels to make them happier, more comfortable, and more exciting. This is one of the more exciting ones that we got involved in, and I'm going to tell you the story now. We were on our way home from a Western trip one summer, a couple years ago, and we had always wanted to try out this casino resort in Louisiana called the Red Shoes Resort. It's actually in Coushatta or Kinder, Louisiana. It's a little tricky to get to. The drive into it isn't real far, but it's pretty bumpy, so that part we didn't like. However, let me straighten this out a little bit. However, once we got there, we were pleasantly surprised because this place was absolutely gorgeous, and you will see it in the video that follows this. The sites were beautiful, level. They had every possible amenity. I mean, we had Wi-Fi, had air conditioning and cable TV, and they just had everything. They had a hotel there. They had a showroom where all kinds of big stars came and performed. Alan Jackson was coming the week after we were there. But this particular week, something really exciting was happening because it was the 10th of October, 2010. And they decided to give away a bunch of money that weekend. So we thought we would stick around and get in on it, which we did. And it was a lot of fun. They were going to give on October 10th, starting at 10 o'clock in the morning, they were going to give away $10,000 every hour until 10 o'clock that night. And at 10 o'clock that night, somebody was going to get $100,000. So people were pouring into this campground from all over. They were coming from Texas and from Louisiana and from, you name it, they were there. Anyhow, we spent the day having fun, gambling, and watching people pray that they were going to win and so forth. And they actually did that. They gave away $10,000 an hour. When it got to 10 o'clock at night, there were literally people praying. They were sitting on the steps from where the people were making the announcements, and there were literally people praying that they would win this money. Well, wait till you hear what happened. They named a winner, and the winner had left. I guess he worked, and he had to go back to Texas, and he left. He never knew that he won that $100,000. And some older lady came up, and she had the next winning number or whatever. And she said, wait till my husband hears about this. And I said, oh, well, where's your husband? Oh, he's over there. He's still gambling. So she left a happy camper. And it was just a lot of fun. But this resort was beautiful. And we found it through Passport America. And we wound up staying there for $10 a night. So pretty hard to beat. And it's gone up. The price has gone up since then. But it's still worth going to because it's a beautiful place with just everything you could want. So let me show you the video, and we'll see what you have to say. See if you agree with me, and if you do, let me know. If you need directions, ask it in the comments, and I'll send them to you. Thanks. Bye-bye.
At Kinder, Louisiana, I finally made it. This is the campground where we are staying. Absolutely beautiful, full facilities of all kinds. They have a golf course, they have a lake. As you can see, they're pretty busy. They've even got little chalets there in the distance that you can rent. They've got a hotel, and they have a beautiful casino. And I'm going to be taking some pictures as we go. There's Wayne as usual, working on something or another. We're on our way out to do some laundry, and it's a beautiful morning. And here's a better shot of some of the little, they call them chalets. They're actually like little park models that you can rent. And Here comes the shuttle, which runs about every half hour or so. We'll take you over to the casino. This is a big, big place. And it's just immaculate. There's the lake behind those chalets. I don't know if you can fish in that or not, but it's very pretty. Rows of these chalets, so you don't need an RV to come here. And of course they also have the hotel. There's some more of them. Where that water tower is where the actual casino is. Maybe not. To the left here on the lake is the lodge, and you can go in there and you can do laundry, or they have a big screen TV. You can sit and watch that. They've got soft drink machines and all kinds of little amenities. That's where we're going to go do our laundry this morning.
Thank you.
Dumbbells. We went over to the casino yesterday and stayed there for 13 hours thinking we would win $100,000 or at least $10,000. That didn't happen, but we had a great time. One problem, this morning we feel like we've been hit by a truck. So, a great time here. It's a beautiful place and we're glad we came.